Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. If you want coffee shop quality espresso without having to put on pants or leave the house, then you should definitely get this La Specialista from DeLonghi. This espresso maker is so amazing. It has this amazing auto grind smart tamping system that makes grinding and getting the perfect espresso every time so easy. I have never seen this pull a bad shot ever. It comes out so good every time. You have the option of making espresso, of an Americano, or making just coffee. And then you move on over to the milk frother, and it works so well. You can choose to do flat or foam depending on what you like, whether you're making cappuccino or a latte. It doesn't take an expert to run this machine, which I love. Even though it might look intimidating, it is the easiest thing I have ever used. I have not had a bad drink come out of this machine. It is so easy. It has lots of lights and will tell you your next steps if you're new to doing this. It has a great reserve on the top for your espresso beans that is airtight, so they're staying fresh. It works so well. It is so easy to clean. It's easy to use. I think this is the ultimate at-home espresso machine. It is so worth investing in. I recommend the La Specialista from DeLonghi, and that is my point of view.